Hello everyone and welcome back to the C programming from Zero to Hero course, and we are at the very ending unit of this course, that is unit 8, miscellaneous concepts. These concepts are not mandatory to know, but for a good programmer you should be knowing these concepts, and we are going to learn all these concepts mentioned in the course. And let's see what we have in here. So very first things are errors in C. Though we have completed all these three types, or we have encountered all these three types of error while we were studying C language, mainly the syntax error, but I have regret that I did not included this particular PPT in the very first unit, but nevertheless we are here. And the syntax error are those errors which violates the grammar of the C program or the any program, or suppose you are writing the wrong format and you're not following the proper syntax with there, then we have the syntax error, and these errors are reflected back by the compiler before running the program. And the runtime error, we encounter it once while we were studying strings, and these are very rare, and there are only few cases where you can encounter runtime error. Suppose you are out of memory, your system is out of memory during the run of program. We are going to study this in bit detail while we will be studying memory allocations. Okay, the third type of error and the most prominent error, the error which all the programmers are mostly worried about, because logical errors are the errors in the logic of the program. They are not reflected by the compiler. Suppose you want to write a program for multiplication of two numbers, but instead of multiplication you wrote plus symbol. Okay, you entered the plus symbol in the program, therefore you are not getting the desired output. In that cases, when there is a fault in the logic of the program, and these errors are very difficult to find when we work on projects. You can say these errors are the most tricky ones among all these three. Okay, and this was all about errors in C, and see you in the next video.